So in this video we're going to look at how to create a spot white print job for Onyx 25. So here I've got my job and we've got our background, which is just normal color, and then I've made a separate layer for my white design. So if I click on that, you'll see that if I go to my colors, I've used the spot color spot 1, capital S P O T 1, all one word. Now the main thing we've got to make sure is that we have overprint fill checked in our attributes. I'm then going to save that as a PDF. I'm going to open that then in Onyx. So I'm going to go to open and I'm going to open that file. So at the moment it's just opened it up in FLX Finish Plus on this printer, but I need to change that print mode. So I'm going to go to open in job editor. I'm then going to choose a print mode for spot white. So I'm going to go for spot white specialty, press OK, and I'm going to apply that. So that now knows it's going to be putting spot white on top of my job here. So if I submit that, so if I go to print and submit, the other thing I can do once that's ripped is right click and go to edit and then go to printer settings. So you now see it says CMYUK plus white spot data, white spot 1 data. So if I wanted to, I can change that and I can go to custom and then I could have CMYUK data. I can then put white spot 1 data over the top and I could have another white spot 1 data and another white spot 1 data. So I could basically increase the amount of data or white that's in that job. I could also get rid of my CMYUK data completely out of that and just have that icon. Press OK, press OK, and then that will then be ready to print. So that's how we play around with white spot data in Onyx 25 and Illustrator.